Today, Pit and Penny are celebrating Halloween, and they're about to have some spooky adventures. Happy Halloween, friends.
Night is coming now. Put your costumes, it's gonna be fun. It is dark, it's magic night. There are witches flying. What a fight! Halloween is for having fun. Boo, boo, it's candy time. Ghost monsters and witches, they're not real, it's just Halloween. Halloween is for having fun. Spooky, spooky, it's candy time. Ghost monsters and witches, they're not real, it's just Halloween.
Night is coming up. Prepare your pumpkins, it's gonna be fun.
It is dark, it's a magic night. There are ghosts floating. What a fright!
Halloween is for having fun. Boo, boo, it's candy time. Ghosts, monsters, and witches, they are not real, it's just Halloween.
Halloween is for having fun. Spooky, spooky, it's candy time. Ghosts, monsters, and witches, they are not real. It's just Halloween.
Night is coming now. It's trick or treat time, it's gonna be fun. It is dark, it's magic night. There are monsters hiding. What a fight! Halloween is for having fun. Boo, boo, it's candy time.
Ghosts, monsters, and witches, they are not real, it's just Halloween.
Halloween is for having fun. Spooky, spooky, it's candy time. Ghosts, monsters, and witches, they're not real. It's just Halloween. Ghosts, monsters, and witches, they're not real. It's just Halloween.
Ooh, it's a scary movie. Now Pit's scared of monsters.
Scary movie with my friends. Now I'm trying to close my eyes, but
Ooh, it was just a branch.
do you see that creepy ghost running out?
It's a ghost.
Oh no, oh no, no.
Let's investigate.
In the house and we're all so scared. We will
Try to be brave, Pit.
flashlights and see what's there. We are so brave. We
There it is. Stop it.
will catch the spooky ghost.
Oops,
It's Daddy.
It was your imagination, it wasn't real, but that was very funny, dear.
where is Penny?
You better find her.
We were trying to.
Is she downstairs?
We ran downstairs. Penny must be somewhere here. We will.
A monster, you need to hide.
Do you see that creepy ghost walking in the?
Hurry, close the doors.
No, oh no, 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 no. There's a ghost in the.
Pit has a plan.
We're all so scared. We will shine with our flashlights and see what's there. We are so brave. We are so strong. We will catch the
That's not a monster.
ghost.
Oops, look, it's Money.
It was your imagination. It wasn't real, but that was very funny, dear.
What was that?
Something spooky, can you hear that sound?
Let's find out where it's coming from. Follow me now. Do you see
It might be in the kitchen.
the ghost in our kitchen? Oh no, oh no, no, no.
It's in the fridge.
There's a ghost in the house and we're all so scared. We will
But Pit's not afraid.
flashlights and see what's there. We are so
ghost!
We will catch the spooky ghost.
Oh, it's Penny!
I got really hungry and I wanted something yummy and I made my
She wanted a sandwich.
snack.
What a crazy night! Haha!
Someone's knocking at the door. It's two trick-or-treaters. It must be Halloween. Look at all that candy. Sorry, kids. It's for the trick-or-treaters. Maybe if you play a trick on Daddy, he'll give you some candy. Oh, Pit, that's not a very scary ghost. That's much better. Here comes Daddy. Get ready, kids. Daddy didn't even notice. Maybe a spider will scare Daddy. Daddy's covered in ketchup. Daddy covered the spider with the napkin. You two need a better plan. Ooh, a wind-up skeleton is very scary. Pit will tape it to the truck. Oh, Pit. Here comes Daddy. But Daddy can't see the truck. Daddy's okay. Now Pit and Penny are making a scary scarecrow. It's so big they both have to carry it. Is Daddy frightened?
We wanted to scare you.
They wanted candy, Daddy. Everyone's dressed like scary vampires. Miss Apple was tricked. So here are your treats. Happy Halloween!
Penny saw a monster. But it was just a dream.
There is
Is something in the kitchen?
I'm so scared, I'm so scared. It's a spooky monster.
A real monster!
And there. Daddy, Daddy, do you see what I see? I am terrified. Help me, please.
Don't be scared.
Little Penny, I'm here, be brave. I know darkness.
Use this flashlight and see what it is.
But you should know, monsters don't exist. When
It's Pit and his hands are stuck! Haha!
it's things that aren't real. You see?
Pete, it's
He wanted some jam.
I am Penny.
Is that a monster?
I'm brave. Sometimes darkness can be a bit scary.
It's an itty-bitty mouse.
but I always know monsters
He'd like some cheese, please.
when my mind is scared, creates the things that aren't real. Ba-da-bum,
Cherry can't sleep.
ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum,
There are monsters outside.
ba-da-da-da-bum. There's something in the kitchen, I'm so scared.
There's one in the kitchen, too.
It's a giant monster, I can hear it.
Maybe Mommy can help?
Mommy, do you see what I see? I am
The monster's eating the cookies.
me, please. Little cherry, I'm here, be brave.
Mommy knows who it is.
No darkness can be a bit scary. But you should know, monsters don't exist when their mind is scared, creates the things that aren't real. You see, it's your sister.
But what about that? Be brave, Cherry.
And I am brave. Sometimes darkness can be a bit scary.
It's a spider.
But I always know monsters don't exist.
And she just wants some cookies.
Mind is scared, creates the things that aren't real.
See? There's nothing to be afraid of.
Pit and Penny are in their tent. Pit is telling ghost stories. Penny is scared. That's not very nice, Pit.
Kids, it's time to sleep.
Penny is cozy in bed. The storm has opened her window. It's okay, Penny. You're so brave. That's better. Now the window is closed. Penny thinks she sees a monster, but there's nothing there. What's wrong, Pit? Now it's Pit's turn to be scared. Pit was watching a scary movie. And he got frightened. Penny has an idea. This is a job for super avocados. Pit and Penny are looking for monsters. Look out! Now the room is dark and scary.
Help! Help!
Mommy is here to save the day. Mommy turns on the lights. It looks like the monster was just a tree branch.
It's Halloween, and Pit and Penny are trick-or-treating. Time to get some candy. Let's see what they got. Pit's bucket is almost empty. Pit, you need a costume. There, you're a zombie. Look, Pineapple has made pumpkin pie. Oh no, there's no more pie left. Yay! Now Pit can have a slice. Pit doesn't want to be a zombie anymore. A baby? Now Pit's a ghost. But there's lots of ghosts on Halloween. Pit wants a special costume. Watch out, Penny. It's okay. Pit caught you. Super Pit! It's the perfect costume. Trick or treat! Happy Halloween, Pit and Penny!
It's a stormy night. And Pit and Penny are tucked up in bed. A storm has woken up Penny. Penny is scared. Don't worry, Mommy and Daddy are here. They'll make sure everything is okay. Mommy tells Penny that there's nothing to worry about. Oh no, there's more thunder and lightning.
Don't be afraid of the storm. You are safe here.
Let's count together. 1, 2, 3.
With every number, the thunder gets farther.
Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Look! The thunder goes far, far away!
Pit's right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It worked! Aw.
Now everyone can go to sleep. Time for sweet dreams. Penny has seen a monster. Penny is frightened again. Pit knows how to fix things. Nice shot, Pit. Aw, Pit is sharing his teddy bear. That's very kind, Pit. Now we can't see the storm. Look at all the stars. Sleep tight, Penny. Penny is dreaming. This looks like a nice dream. There's a storm cloud in Penny's dream.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Penny isn't scared.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
It's time to wake up, Penny. It's a bright, sunny day. There's no need to be scared. Penny sees a beautiful rainbow.
There's always a rainbow after the rain!
It was totally worth waiting for.
It really was, Penny.
What's that, Pit? It's just Penny playing a prank.
Penny, don't scare your brother.
Give Mommy the ghost. What's that noise, Penny? It's coming from the window. Be careful, Penny.
What's happened, Penny?
It's just Pit's toy robot. See? Nothing to be afraid of.
Stop scaring each other.
Okay, Pit and Penny, back to bed. Come on, Pit.
It'll help you sleep.
Is this another prank?
Penny, I know it's you!
What? It's not me.
Now what could that be?
Huh? Oh. There's a monster in the room!
Mommy thinks Pit and Penny are playing again.
I told you to stop scaring each other. Go to sleep.
They'll have to solve this on their own. Be brave, Pit. Be brave, Penny. There it is. Phew. It's just a friendly moth.
I'll never scare you again.
Me too!
See? Isn't that better?
Huh?
Something is under the crib.
What's happened?
Baby's afraid there's a monster down there.
Someone has forgotten their tights here.
See? Monsters aren't real.
Oh, you have nothing to fear.
Night-night, baby. Pit and Penny want to check on baby. What do you hear, Pit?
There's a monster!
We must protect her.
Maybe you could set up a monster trap.
This will stop the monster.
The robot can stand guard. And the monster will be trapped in the box.
Let's go to bed.
Oops, you trapped Pit instead. And you woke up baby.
What's happened here?
The kid saw a monster.
It seems this is the monster that bit me. Sure, monsters don't exist, dear.
Then what is under the crib? It's Pit's toy.
My car!
Look at this mess.
You should put your toys in the box, kids.
The room is nice and clean.
Now, nothing will scare you.
What is the nightlight for?
This light will help you sleep peacefully. And they lived happily ever after.
Shh, baby's sleeping. And so are Pit and Penny. Nighty-night, everyone. Pit and Penny are playing a video game. Penny wants to play Munchman. But Pit wants to play Speed Racer. Be careful, kids. Now you've broken the joystick. The computer seems angry. Pit and Penny are inside the racing game. Hurry, Penny. Pit's winning. It looks like Penny's catching up. It's a power-up. It was a smoke bomb. You better stop, Pit. Maybe Penny can use the ramp to catch up. Now she's in the lead. It's another power-up. Careful, Pit. The road is slippery. Penny! Pit needs help! Phew! He's safe.
Thank you!
Penny can't see.
I'm sorry.
Now Pit and Penny are in the Munchman game. Munchman wants to eat them. Oh no! They're trapped!
What should we do now?
Jump out of it!
Pit and Penny won the game! And they're back to normal. Now they'll pick a game together. Pit and Penny have a new toy! And it wants to teach them how to dance.
Clap, clap, cha cha cha.
You try, Penny.
Clap, clap, cha cha cha.
Clap, clap, cha cha cha.
Your turn, Pit.
Cha cha cha! Cha cha cha! Cha cha cha!
Oops, Pit forgot to clap.
Carefully! He's in pain!
Look, Pit, you broke the robot.
Clap, clap, cha cha cha.
Clap! Clap! Cha! Cha! Cha!
Pit thinks the robot sounds funny.
And now faster!
the robot's really broken.
Hey, wake up!
Oh, what have you done?
What a useless toy!
Pit just wants to throw it away.
What's this?
Run! The robot's out of control! Pit and Penny need Daddy's help.
What's happened, kids? Looks like some help is needed.
Daddy knows what to do.
So much better.
The robot is fixed.
You should be careful with your toys.
Pit's sad.
What's wrong?
But I want that crazy dance again!
Then, repeat after me.
Just copy Penny.
I'll try too!
Let's see Pit do it. Now everyone can dance together. The kids are watching a scary zombie movie. Who's that in the shadows?
It's time to go to sleep, kids.
It's only Mommy. Phew!
Okay.
Carrot is having a bad dream. And she's woken up Cherry.
What's going on?
Cherry might have to sleep somewhere else. Pear is sleepwalking. Where is he off to? Lime snoring has woken up Carrot. Shh! Pit and Penny are still asleep. Maybe now Carrot can get some sleep. Pear's eating is keeping Cherry up. That's better. Who's at the door? Carrot thinks Pear is a zombie. Watch out!
Nobody's sleeping here?
What is your idea, Pit?
Let's read a fairy tale!
A few minutes later.
Happily ever after. The end!
It looks like Pit's bedtime story worked. Night, kids. Sweet dreams.
It's a stormy night. And Pit and Penny are tucked up in bed. A storm has woken up Penny. Penny is scared. Don't worry, Mommy and Daddy are here. They'll make sure everything is okay. Mommy tells Penny that there's nothing to worry about. Oh no, there's more thunder and lightning.
Don't be afraid of the storm. You are safe here.
Let's count together. 1, 2, 3.
With every number, the thunder gets farther.
Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Look! The thunder goes far, far away!
Pit's right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It worked! Oh.
Now everyone can go to sleep. Time for sweet dreams. Penny has seen a monster. Penny is frightened again. Pit knows how to fix things. Nice shot, Pit. Aw, Pit is sharing his teddy bear. That's very kind, Pit. Now we can't see the storm. Look at all the stars. Sleep tight, Penny. Penny is dreaming. This looks like a nice dream. There's a storm cloud in Penny's dream. Penny isn't scared.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
It's time to wake up, Penny. It's a bright, sunny day. There's no need to be scared. Penny sees a beautiful rainbow.
There's always a rainbow after the rain!
It was totally worth waiting for.
It really was, Penny.
Oh no, Pit's scared. Daddy, find out what's the matter.
Pit, why aren't you asleep?
There's a ghost flying over my bed!
There it is.
Don't worry, ghosts don't exist.
It's just a balloon in a t-shirt.
I had no doubt.
Huh?
Okay, everyone, back to bed. Don't be scared, Daddy. It's just Penny.
Penny, why aren't you asleep?
There is a monster watching me. Oh.
Let's see what it really is. It's not a monster.
It's just a cat.
And I wasn't scared at all!
Now Pit and Penny are both scared. There's a strange light in their room. Daddy will check it out. It's under the bed, Daddy.
Uh-huh.
It's just a toy.
Dad, we're not sleeping here!
Daddy has an idea.
Won't be disturbed here.
Yay! It's a blanket fort. How cozy. Maybe now Daddy can get some sleep. Oh, some scary shadows.
There is a monster!
Sleeping in the living room isn't the best way out. Better make a nightlight.
Now everyone can sleep. Even Daddy. It's Officer Pumpkin.
Penny has been taken by a monster!
Oh no! Hit! How did it happen? Penny was hiding from Pit. First, Pit looked in the closet.
Gotcha!
But Penny wasn't there. And that's when he saw the monster. Officer Pumpkin will find her.
Penny!
It's a monster!
Hurry! Check out that noise! It's coming from the wardrobe. Be careful! Phew! It's just a wind-up toy. Look! There are chips on the floor. Maybe Penny left them. It could be a clue. Let's follow the trail. The trail leads to the kitchen. Is it the monster?
A monster!
No, Pit. It's an empty bag of chips. Someone left the window open. But where's Penny? There's milk on the floor. Maybe Penny drank some milk. Footprints! Another clue! Let's follow them. Don't be scared, Pit. The footprints stop. So where is Penny?
A monster!
Could it really be a monster? No. It's a friendly spider.
Monsters don't exist.
It's a door to the attic. Remember, Pit, there are no monsters. It's just a rubber duck. It's Penny!
I got stuck in the attic!
How did that happen? When Penny was looking for a place to hide, she snuck into the attic. But the door closed and got stuck.
You can hide in places like the attic, basement, or closet.
They can be dangerous.
Hey!
Goodbye, little spider. And goodbye, Officer Pumpkin. Thanks for your help.